Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove Q50 headlights. This task, while manageable, involves several steps, primarily focusing on the careful removal of your vehicle's front bumper. You will need a few basic tools, such as a 10mm socket and a trim removal tool, to get started. Plan for about 2 to 3 hours to complete the entire process smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you have ample time for each step. To start, safely lift the front of your Q50 and secure it. Next, you will need to remove the engine splash guard and the fasteners from the fender liners, typically using a Phillips head screwdriver or a trim tool. Proceed to detach all 8 to 10 push pins located across the top of the grille and bumper cover. Finally, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the bumper to each fender, usually found tucked behind the wheel well. With the initial fasteners removed, it is time to disconnect the electrical components. Carefully unplug all harnesses for your fog lights, turn signals, and daytime running lights, which are typically located on the underside or behind the bumper. Once all connections are free, gently pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle. Be sure to check for any remaining clips or 10mm bolts, especially underneath, to prevent damage during removal. Now that the front bumper is completely off, your headlight housings are fully exposed and ready for removal. You will typically find 3 to 4 10mm bolts securing each headlight assembly to the vehicle's frame. Remove these. Next, disconnect any final electrical connectors directly attached to the headlight unit itself. With all fasteners and wires detached, you can carefully slide the entire headlight housing out of its mounting position, completing the removal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.